Hello everyone, this is Nasim. I'm founder of Vocalo. Today I'm going to show you how to use Vocalo. So if you come to our Vocalo landing page, you will see something like this. Once you are logged in and signed up, then you can click on the apps and you'll see something like this. In this apps, you can see there is some icons in the sidebar, and in the navbar we have Vocalo logo and credit and your profile. So if you click on here, you will see your email, name, and your profile links, settings link, and managing the subscriptions link. And this is the entire screen, and you see in the middle of this screen we have a start button. So if we actually click on the start button, it will create a new conversations. And let me go through the discover sections first. So as you can see, discover sections has some predefined talking ideas. So you can talk about IELTS test preparations or relationship advice, brainstorm new ideas, talk about anything you want, whatever. But if you don't want to actually select from here, you can just click start and AI will ask you questions like what do you want to discuss. So I'm going to actually click on here.
Hey there, how's it going? What's on your mind today?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I just want to talk about you. I'm actually building an walkthrough video of you, like how to use you.
That's awesome. I'd love to hear more about it. What features are you planning to include in the video about me?
Okay, so as you can see, we have like two others button. It is working nicely. I can change my talking speed. Like if I am talking too fast, then I will actually make it fast. Or if I'm talking slow, then I'm gonna actually select it as normal. So yeah, based on your like talking speed, you can select anything you want. And this is for assistant speed. Normally, you want this to keep it as 1x, but if you want to actually speak the AI a little bit faster or slower, you can do that here. And in this sidebar, as you can see, we have the rolling part of these conversations. Like whatever I am saying, you will actually see it here. And for every conversations like AI is having, like whatever AI is saying, you will see a translation. So you can change the translation to any language. So since I'm Bangladeshi, I chose Bengali language. So as you can see, I'm seeing the Bengali language here. But if I select anything else, like for example, if I select Turkish, then from the next conversations,
wow, that sounds really cool.
Turkish
it's awesome that you can customize the talking speed and translation language. Is there anything else you're planning to add to the video?
So if I am done with the conversation,
that's great. Adding Turkish translation will make the video more accessible to a wider audience. Anything?
So as you can see, if AI is talking too much, I can just tell him to stop and it will stop.
That's a neat feature.
Stop.
Being able to stop.
See? So in the top, you see this is the topic. Initially, it will be new chat, but later, based on the conversation, it will be automatically generated. And here you will see all the progress. And this is the close button. By the way, you can close the chat options. Then you can reopen it again by click on there. And if you want to close the chat, you will see this. You can either close the call so that you can use it later, or you can generate feedback. So let me do that. I am just going to close it. See, the conversation is gone. So if I click on the history, you will see the last conversations here. I can delete them if I want. So if I click on here, see, I'm actually deleting conversation. I'm confirming, boom, that is got deleted. So if I click on an existing conversations, if the conversation is in progress, it will reopen the conversation again. But if the conversation is done, then it will actually have this icon, like completed icon. But if the conversation is ongoing, then it will have this like continuous icon. So let's just open an existing like continuous conversations. As you can see, it just opened again. Hey, how are you?
It's great to have the option to open and close the chat whenever you want.
See, you can
Is there anything
close
else
the
you
chat
want to add
anywhere
to the
you
video?
want. But now, if I am done with the conversation, see, I have a like progress.
Thanks for asking.
Stop.
I'm here to chat and help you practice.
So the conversation is currently 26%. If I want to actually close it, Normally you would want to actually finish this to like close to 100%, but if you want to close early or generate feedback immediately, then you can click on the get feedbacks. So what it will do is it will actually generate a feedback based on your conversation. It will tell you what you did well, what you can improve upon, and suggestions to do better. That's about it. See, you can see it here. So if you go to history again, so if you actually click on the finished conversation that you generated feedback again, like feedback previously, you can click on it and you will see the history. See, you will see the conversation history, and now if you click see feedback, you're getting the feedback. That's about it. I hope Vocalo actually makes your language journey very sweet. See you later. Bye.